Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off text in the media with image descriptions on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click on text and media, and here as you see you will find here with image descriptions. Click on it. That's it, it will be turned off. That's how to turn off text in the media with image descriptions on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.